As we age, as our mother's age and our father's age, they tend to get blurry vision, weaker eyesight, and this is deemed normal. In my opinion, it's not normal. If you change the diet and add foods that are high in flavonoids, antioxidants, like the fruits, you're going to see remarkable improvements because the lymphatic system, the system that removes waste from your eyes, is going to be working better. Okay, and if you use herbs for the kidneys as well, you see that your eyesight will start to improve. So there are a set of herbs you need to use to clean your eyes. You can have it as a tea, both ingest it, okay, right here, the eyesight tea, but also you can use it, boil it, make the tea, and put an eye cup, put the tea in the eye cup when it's cooled, and rinse your eyes. This sends blood flow to the region and removes the excess mucus in the region, and allows better eyesight. It has herbs like bayberry in the golden seal, red raspberry, and eye bright. Bilberry, fantastic for the eyes, okay? And you always want to support this cleanse with using herbs for the Fabulous Five. This addresses the kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach, and bowels. And always want to make use of an additional kidney tea because we need support for the kidneys. Everybody needs support for the kidneys. Kidneys are the doorway to your health. If you get all that right with a slight diet change, meaning at least breakfast fruits, lunch, have a raw salad or some greens, and dinner have some cooked vegan, you'll make remarkable progress using these herbs and the diet change.